Welcome to today's featured property. My name is Carolynn Castillo with eXp Realty. Today's property is located in a neighborhood called Boulevard Heights. This is South Florida's most popular first-time homebuyer neighborhood. This house has been completely updated from top to bottom. Open floor plan and spacious living, you're guaranteed to love this house. This home features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms plus a full-size den. You will love all the different living spaces in this home, offering a living room, dining room, and family room. Upon entering this home, you will notice the custom woodwork throughout, open kitchen with granite countertops, glass mosaic backsplash, and stainless steel appliances. The master bedroom features a large walk-in closet and an ensuite, fully updated bathroom. This home has brand new flooring throughout and a brand new roof just installed. The whole family will love the big backyard with plenty of room for a future pool. Come check out this house today. You will not be disappointed.